And Chautauqua County's executive hopes that the end of New York's mask mandate will help bring an end to divisions caused by the pandemic.
Tonight, Justin Gould with our news partner WNY News Now has more on this story.
New York's mask mandate officially ended today after Governor Kathy Hochul announced the news during a briefing yesterday. Here in Chautauqua County, Executive P.J. Wendell, while happy to hear the news, says he'll continue to watch the numbers.
As county executive, it's ultimately, the decision that rests on myself, but I also have a team of 3 doctors, our public health director, Christine Schuyler, our sheriff, and emergency services director.
Wendell remains frustrated with the state's COVID-19 vaccine mandate, saying that the booster dose does not stop the spread of the virus, but instead prevents serious illness. Therefore, he believes it's not worth losing healthcare workers over. He also questioned the effectiveness of the mask mandate, given the high number of cases while it was in place.
If you look at the number of counties who said they weren't enforcing it, our numbers trended the same as the counties who were enforcing it. Our numbers went up. Chautauqua County did not go up at an astronomical rate.
Even though Wendell's administration did not enforce the mandate in the past months, that did not stop him from sending out over 48,000 KN95 masks to those who wanted them. As we adjust to the news, he urges residents to respect others' decisions on whether they mask and/or vaccinate themselves.
If people are without a mask, that's fine. If people want to wear a mask, great. Protect yourself. And we've said that all along. And the same with, the vaccine and the boosters. That's your choice. Make that choice with your healthcare provider.
Now, he admits that there were mistakes made at the local, state, and federal levels at the onset of the pandemic, and that not admitting their faults has contributed to the decisiveness of the subject.
Now, since the vaccine came out, because they said, get the vaccine or it's over. Oops, we're still getting breakthrough cases. It didn't work. And no one has ever said, we misjudged it. We made a mistake. It didn't do what we thought it would. And I think that's the part of it, that nobody has owned up and said, we made mistakes through this.
The executive tells me another key aspect to moving beyond the pandemic is respecting businesses who choose to keep the mask mandate in place. Reporting in Jamestown, New York, Justin Gould, WNY News Now.
And now to weather.